It draws a lot of doctors from different specialties, so it gives us a broader range of potential clientele. A lot of the doctors here have been in practice for a while and have a standard practice, whether it is dermatology, podiatry, plastic surgery. A lot of them want to add a regenerative element to their practice.
It's really a perfect combination of both clinical research or clinical experience as well as basic science.
We've been able to have very good conversations with a number of high-end doctors that are real movers and shakers in the industry.
It's just a really great way for us to see what other departments are doing and how they're also innovating as well.
Meetings like this allows me to better curtail my treatments and to better understand how I can create the best nanofat and other regenerative therapies to add into the surgical procedures.
I think we always learn from one another, and having this cross-pollination of thought where we learn as plastic surgeons from orthopedic surgeons and vice versa, as well as other specialties, is really, really important.
Coming to this conference, I have to say it's been my favorite conference. Don't tell anyone else, even though I know I'm doing this here, but it is my favorite conference because of the way it's set up, because of the features of the people being on stage, but then being able to sit and talk to them. We have met so many incredible doctors who just get regenerative medicine.
I think it's a really good investment in time to be able to sit down and get to see who's who and who's really dominating which markets in the US right now.
With the expertise with the plastic surgeons, the orthopedics, these are people who are not only talking about it, but they are publishing the data. They know this inside and out. So this has been a really great event as an exhibitor and being able to have the one-on-one conversations with the experts in this field.
It's these kinds of meetings that are multidisciplinary that really are the wave of the future.
You can't beat the weather in San Diego. There's nowhere else where the weather's this perfect.